Brussels sprouts. If you
Brussels
ever had
sprouts?
them. Yeah, they're
Come
really,
on now.
really good, and you would like them. I'm kidding.
Well, maybe you cook them for me, all right? Here, let me grab your door.
Nah, I got it, honey.
What, are you sure?
I'm not that old, Louis.
Well, you don't let me do much for you.
Giving me a lift is plenty, honey.
All right. Oh, Mary, come on. No, don't worry about it.
Take it, Louis. This is the second time you've driven me this week. This is the least I can do.
And I appreciate it, but you should save that.
You don't let me do anything for you, do you?
All right. Hey, look, you need to ride home because the bank's gonna close soon.
Nah. I'm gonna meet Jackie for some, and then we're heading to her house for dinner and maybe a couple of games of spades with some friends.
All right, well, you take care of yourself, okay?
Okay, honey, bye-bye.
Yes, please give me Pike Memorial. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yeah, I need to know if a Mary Bryson checked in a few hours ago. So I dropped her off at Tri-State National. It's Mary Bryson. It's B-R-I. It's S-O-N. Yeah, I'm a friend. Is she okay?
Gotcha.
Jeez, what the hell, man?
Oh boy, I missed you, little brother.
What are you doing here? I thought you had another month left in county.
How about, hey brother, I'm glad you're out. Why don't you sit and stay a while? You want a beer? Oh, you know what? I'd love a beer. That sounds great. Thank you very much. Boy, Missed this place.
How did you get here? I mean, they got the roads blocked off. You know, Tri-State National just got knocked off. No, I gotta
Yes,
go.
it did. Tell me, little brother. How many dollars does it take to spell Costa Rica?
It was you. Shut it. I'm not gonna. This is big, Keith. Look, I can't just pay some bail for you this time and just make it all go away.
No, but you got a nice place here off the grid. One night is all I need. Once the heat is gone, I'm gone. Plus you get a nice bonus for your trouble.
Well, you think I don't have the balls to turn my own brother, do you?
You owe me! Besides, you ain't never let me down yet.
God, it's the cops.
What? I made it out. I made it out clean, I swear!
Apparently not.
You better make your mind up quick, brother.
All right, come on. Let's go. Come on. Whoa!
Shut up! Where is he?
No, you got a warrant?
He's an armed fugitive? This is the only place he could go! Tell me where he is!
I don't know who you're talking about. I'm just here. It's just me.
Listen, you would have saved yourself a lot of hurt right now. Tell me where he is!
Who are you talking about?
Sit where I can see you.
Look, you can have the money.
Keep your head, Louis. The money's not here, Sid.
I ain't dying for you, Keith.
Come on, Louis!
Go get it. Walk slow. No quick moves. On your knees. On your knees!
What are you doing?
Hands on your head. That's right. Nice.
Come on, Sid. 50-50. We all walk away.
No. I'm thinking more of a winner-take-all approach. And I'm the only one who walks. Show it to me. Bring it here.
Freaking bullseye, little brother! Oh, the gun in the bag, genius!
Shut up. Shut up.
We can go.
That's it,
You and I.
shut up!
All that money, Louis!
Shut up, Keith! Look, it's over. I'm giving it to the cops.
You did what you did. You did what you had to do. You killed, you survived, just like we always have.
I'm turning you in.
No, you won't. We're blood. 5 months ago, you would have had your head beaten in. But I bled for you!
I never asked you for anything!
I sat in a cell alone for you!
I never asked you for anything!
Brother.
No. Not anymore.
What?
You owe me everything. Take it from that line.
What's the line?
You owe me everything. They're still playing, Amanda. Can you hear it? They're still playing, Amanda. Can you hear it?
Ready?
Yeah, go.
You. Good?
Yep. Action.
You